Hi everyone and welcome back. So a lot of people have been recently complaining about excessive battery drain on their latest Galaxy Watch. And if you go to battery information in settings, you can see that Google Play services is still at the top. Today let's see how you can fix it. And also don't forget to check out giveaway of this amazing design from Your Sash Watch Faces called as D360. Okay, so many users have tried it and according to them it has made battery drain less severe. For this, long press home and back key at the same time until Samsung logo shows up. Now press multiple times on this top key. After some time, watch will enter into this menu. Here choose recovery mode, and when you are on recovery mode, just long press this top key. Now watch has entered into recovery mode. Here you have to choose wipe cache partition and choose yes. Next, reboot your watch and wait for all the apps to optimize. You can do this every month until Samsung issues a new update fixing this Google Play Services issue. So check it out. Now talking about the watch face, this is D360 available for a discounted price on Google Play Store. It has a modern and classy design with decent background information like step counter, heart rate monitor, sunset sunrise indicator, and also battery percentage is highlighted here. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of different settings here. For example, changing color of each watch hand. So you can see that I'm changing color of each hand. Next you can change color of background dials like this. We have many options here. After that you can change background color of this whole watch face like this, and in the end we have few settings for complications. So check it out and drop a thumbs up plus leave a comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.